All right, last part, example 1c for 4-3 algebra. So this example C is really, really important. If I look back to that slope-intercept form that I've been using for all of these, this equation is different. How? How is this C different from A and B even? Well, the big difference here is that the y is not by itself. That y is not isolated. And you need to do that first. You must isolate y first. You need y equals. So the first thing we're going to start with here is getting that y by itself. 3 is being multiplied by the y, so I'm going to get that alone by dividing each piece. Remember, all of those pieces. That's why we took some time to do this in lesson 3.9 and 3.8 with those literal equations. So I'm left with y equals 4/3. Remember, I want to keep that slope as a fraction. Negative 15 minus, or divide 3 is a minus 5. So now that I've got my y isolated, now I can determine my slope and my y-intercept. So my slope is that 4/3, and my y-intercept is that negative 5. And then last but not least, sketching a little graphy poo of that. If my pen would just draw for once in its lousy life. All right, so we had a y-intercept of negative 5, so that's like down here somewhere, and we have a positive slope, so that's going to look something like that. And there we have it, ladies and gents. You've got lesson 4-3.